It's Ronnie, licensed real estate agent in DC, Maryland, Virginia, and Pennsylvania, back with another down payment assistance video. So today we're talking about this viral program that you see all over social media where you could get up to $60,000 in down payment assistance to purchase a home in Norfolk, Virginia. Now, the home program is the one that gives you up to $60,000 in down payment assistance. The home word program gives you up to $40,000 in down payment assistance. Now with the home program, as you can see, you can get up to $60,000 in down payment assistance and closing cost assistance to first-time home buyers with a household income at or below 80% of the area's median income. So when I scroll down, 80% of the area's median income for a single person is $55,450. And as you can see right here, for two persons, $63,400 and so on. But in order to get access to more money, you have to be at or below the 80% threshold. Now for the Homebuyer program that allows you to get up to $40,000 in down payment and closing cost assistance, you have to be between 80% and 120% of the area's median income. So as you can see here, 100% for one person tops out at $83,200, two people, $95,000, and so on. Now here are the qualifications to get access to this money. The first thing that you should do is get pre-approved by a lender before you can apply for this program. Now next, you cannot have owned a home for the previous 3 years. That includes out-of-state homes, and that also includes you being on someone's deed. If you are on a grandparent's deed or a parent's deed or a friend or another family member, you have to be removed from that deed before you can get access to these programs. Because you are on that deed, you technically are responsible for that home, for the taxes, and you are technically a homeowner. You must have an annual household income of at least $25,000. Third, you must not have filed bankruptcy in the previous 2 years. And I get this question all the time. It is 2 years to the date. So for example, if you file for bankruptcy June 1st, 2024, you will not be eligible to use this program until after June 1st of 2026. Next, you must have a proof of income. Normally, this proof of income will come from your pay stubs. So they're asking for 1 month. Most people are paid bi-weekly, so you will need to provide 2 pay stubs. Second, they will have to do a verification of supplemental income for all household occupants. And normally, that is for people that are being added to the loan. For example, if your spouse is also being added to the loan, and let's just say, for example, they have a side business or if they do Uber, you will have to provide documentation that proves that income. And third, your current bank and or financial statements. So pretty much your bank statements. And if you have a 401k or an IRA or something like that, they will also ask to see that. Now, just for anyone that doesn't know, when it comes to your actual criteria to get pre-approved by a lender before you apply for this program, obviously, you will need your last 2 tax returns. You will need your last 2 W-2s. You need your pay stub for a month, and you will need your bank statements for a month. Now, you cannot be in collections to get approved for a mortgage loan. And if you owe the IRS money, you will need to set up a payment plan and provide proof of that payment plan before you can use a government-backed loan, such as FHA and some of these lower down payment conventional products. And again, with this program, they're not going to hand you a check. This is a unique program, because you, as the buyer, will apply for this program on your own versus other programs where the lender applies on your behalf. But they will not just hand you a check and they will not give you the maximum amount. They will give you everything that you need based off of what the lender provides them. That money will be sent to the title company and it will be credited on the settlement statement as a credit toward the buyer. But I just wanted to bring you all this information. Keep it simple and break it down for you to understand. And again, my name is Ronnie. I'm a licensed real estate agent in DC, Maryland, Virginia, and Pennsylvania. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. My information is always down below. Thanks for watching.